Spanning a 450-meter deep gorge, the bridge stands
Nitrogen levels stable at -320.
acknowledged. Proceeding to waypoint Charlie.
Pier 3, transporter approaching drop zone. Gantry engaging. Lowering cables now. Stand by.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. Got it? Got it. Secure the clamps.
Crane, hold position. We have wind shear at 40 meters. Repeat, hold position.
Check the alignment on joint 4. Copy that, alignment secure. Move the piston up. Bring her down easy now. We're clear on the east side, lock it in.
Tension holding steady at 800 tons. Confirmed. Balance parameters.
Hold the pressure on jack 4.
Copy, copy. Easing off jack 2. Watch the cable, keep it tight. All right, pulling now. Secure tray 4.
Check alignment on the east side. Looks good. Start the tension sequence. Ensure the resin coat is completely smooth over the brag grating. Checking the thickness now.
All right, bring it up slowly.
Tension set at 5,000. Ready to clamp section 4.
Looks good, 0.75 mils average. Consistent with the specs, we can sign off on this section.
Check the alignment on bearing 4. Reading steady at 0.02 millimeters.
Check the alignment tolerance on screen 3.
Looks good, well within parameter. Telemetry link established on channel 3. Acknowledged. Confirming data stream stabilization now.
Deflection at midspan 15 millimeters, holding steady.
Roger that. East side. Watch the clearance on the right side. Copy that, slow it down. The eddy current readings look stable across the weld.
Confirmed. No subsurface anomalies detected on the tab. Maintain pressure on the hydraulics. We are securing the connection point now.
We need to ensure the bend radius is correct on this fiber run.
Looks good. I'm securing the final tie wrap.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance.
Okay, it's set. Start securing the pins now.
Dome is secure. Run the P-wave calibration sequence.
Sequence initializing. All parameters are nominal. Data stream.
Okay, she's seated. Start tightening those binders. Got it, cranking down now. Look at the deviation here on sector 4.
It's within tolerance, but let's rescan that section at the higher elevation.
Bring it down easy, watch the clearance on the frame.
We're aligned. Start the torque sequence on. The laser alignment is holding steady.
Parameters verified. Locking in the setting now.
The main valve on the neutralization tank is rotating smoothly.
Confirmed. Pressure levels are normalizing across.
All right, this one's tight. Move to the next tie. Check the... Bring it down easy, watch the clearance. Clear on this side, keep coming down. All right, lock it in.
Array synchronization is failing on channel 3. Check the phase alignment. It might be the geothermal interference.
Look at this reading here on the tablet. The structural alignment is slightly off on the west side. Yes, I see that. The new... Bring it down easy, watch the alignment. Looks good, set it right there. Pins engaged.
Pressure is stable at 7,000.
Confirmed. We are green for operation.
The sensor readings on the primary winding show a slight fluctuation here.
Is that within the acceptable?
Laser alignment stabilizing at 3.5.
Parameters confirmed on the terminal.
We're hitting the target thickness at this section. Copy that. It's settled. Clear the cables.
Links engaged on this side.
The alignment profile here is showing a deviation at the 50-meter mark. Cross-reference that with the thermal data immediately. Lower it slowly, watch the clearance. Okay, I've got the pin ready, secure it now.
Pressure stable at 50,000 psi. Confirmed. Recording the reading now.
Clear on the south side, pressure looks stable. Roger that. Initiating final descent sequence on my mark.
Alignment metrics are stable. The deviation is 0.
Confirmed. The laser is perfectly centered on.
We are reaching maximum tension on the main span.
Hold it there, we need to secure the isolator.
The gauge confirms consistent application across the section. Excellent. Let's move to the next. The neutralization rate is steady at 95%.
Flow valves indicate optimal pressure.
All right, tighten the main housing bolts now. Hitting it with the impact wrench. Almost there. Check the pressure. Easy, lower it down now. All right, hold it steady. I'm securing the rod.
Confirm seating pressure on the dome. Pressure stabilizing. Running diagnostic on array 3.
Look at the data localized around the 30-meter mark. Yeah, the grid alignment shows a slight deviation there. Lower it slowly, watch the guide rail. Clear on this side. Pin engaged.
Hold position, we are clear for insertion. Roger that. Maintaining pressure. Check the alignment.
Slow lift on line 3. Easy now, settle it down. All right, start the anchoring process.
Flow rate seems optimized on the last sequence. Agreed. The arc stability is perfect now.
The beam is centered on the railhead. Confirmed. Alignment metrics are within tolerance. Secure the transponder.
Watch the hydraulic line on the left. Clear. Apply the pressure now. Torque is stabilizing at 50. Keep it steady. We're almost there.
Rods are in place, locking them down.
Check the alignment profile at Sector 4. The thickness variance is negligible. Verified. The laser...
Slow descent, we are almost aligned.
Okay, guide it in.
Pins are ready, lock it down. We have green on the primary sensor.
Secondary confirms stability. Proceed with securing the housing.
We need to isolate the C-phase line before the lift. Rerouting power now. The schematics...
The alignment is currently 0.05 degrees off. I've logged it. Okay, adjusted. We are perfect.
Keep the locomotive moving slow. We're almost at the marker. Copy that. Maintaining hydraulic pressure.
We're still seeing high mineral density here.
Adjust the neutralization mixture ratio.
That's the last bolt on this housing. Okay, let's check the alignment on the flange. Watch the line tension. Set it down easy right there. All right, we're clear.
Torque stabilization complete. Retracting arm 3. Acknowledged. Seal integrity holding at 98%.
Look at this data point here on the Z-axis.
Let me cross-reference the previous scan.
The gauge reads steady. We have a green light on this unit.
Diagnostic monitor shows green on phases A and B.
Copy. Prepare to energize the main...
The laser alignment is stable. Power levels are optimal.
Confirmed. The readings are well within...